Okay, now let's analyze the case of a group by clause. They're generally used. So with the way followed with some conditions. So here the group by clause is used in collaboration with the select statement to arrange the identical data in groups. This group by clause allows the first clause in the select statement and precedes the order by clause. The syntax generally, let's have a brief description of the syntax information. The basic syntax of a group by clause is shown in the following code. The group by clause must follow the conditions in where clause and must precede the order by clause if one is been used. So this is a mandatory condition. Otherwise, it will be considered as a syntactical error. So let us take the syntax. Let's analyze the syntax now. Now select column 1, column 2. From the table name, where condition, group by the column fields, then order by the column fields. So here, let us analyze this particular one by syntax by taking one such example here. So select username and value from the customer group by name. So from this query, what exactly what this query does is that it takes all the name field and groups them in the ascending order. And based on that, the sum salary of the particular group named person in the group will be displayed. And the second query, what happens is that we select max salary as max salary from persons, group by username, order by max salary. So here, so order by is followed with another condition with the max salary. So first of all, the grouping of the name will be happening in ascending order, and based on the particular usernames, the max salary will be chosen because username can have multiple usernames with the same names. Auto same means the max salary person will be chosen. That's basically this syntax means. Now let us debug both of the queries in the query designer. So let us visit the Visual Studio Studio and we'll debug both of the queries here. Yeah, see, in the first case, we are seeing this, we are using this, the max salary from persons with a grouping with username. So when we execute this code, we can see select all from table is a normal table, the first one. The second one is a grouping of the tables with respect to the, first of all, the username. So username is, so we can see all the usernames are coming in alphabetical order. Then after that, based on each of the names, it's taking up the max salary persons. So in the C in the rank, we can see one person is 23000. Another rank is available 75. The greater salary person of rank will be displayed. So that is synthetically because we are chosen as the max salary as the optional condition here. So this query works functionally perfect as per the conditions being given. Now let us take another case. We'll comment this particular query and we'll take another query. We are intended to give another condition with group by followed by an order by. So here, if grouping with order by condition would mean that max salaried persons, the username would be taken as a grouping factor. Then out of the grouping factor, the max salaried person also will be coming up. So apart from taking the display of all the max salaried persons, so here we can see, we can just execute and see that happens. See. So here the grouping of the people with the username is coming up, but followed by the it's a max salaried person with respect to each of the groups. So this is how the both of the queries working from functionally it works as such. Now see here we have to make sure that the group by is always followed with the order by. Otherwise this reordering this is never possible because it will be considered as a syntactical error. So this is how the group by clause works with the where condition, with the condition with order by. And here one more condition that is to be looked is that if one uses an order by condition, then we have to use a Boolean functionality over here. This is a max is a Boolean function. So this is a mandatory fact. So if you're not using the order by followed with a max, so the Boolean condition is syntactically it will be considered as an error. So this is how the group by clause works with an order by.